Respondus Lockdown Browser works with the Test and Quizzes feature in Questrom tools to deliver online tests in a secure environment. With Respondus, students are only able to access their quiz. They can't navigate to another URL, open any other application on their computer, take a screenshot, or print. Now you can give tests with the convenience of using an online system such as Tests and Quizzes without worrying about students being able to access information they shouldn't. Let's take a look at what it looks like, and then we'll get to how it works. First, your students will need to install Respondus Lockdown Browser onto their laptops. Questrom ITS will provide you with instructions for your students, as well as sample text for including in your syllabus if you'd like. Respondus works much like a standard browser with a few differences. You'll see when a student opens their test in Respondus, the application takes up the entire screen. This means that students can't access other files on their computer. Students cannot close this window without exiting the quiz and submitting it for grading. You'll also see that there's a modified toolbar at the top. This means that students cannot navigate to another URL using this browser. Respondus also disables controls for printing, keystroke combinations like copying and pasting, screen grabs, function keys, and right-click menus. Here's how it works. Create your test using Tests and Quizzes in Questrom tools as you would normally. See our video on using Tests and Quizzes to learn more about how to do that, including best practices from Questrom ITS. In the Settings section of your test, select Ensure Students Take Exams from Specific Location, and then click on Respondus Lockdown Browser. Questrom ITS recommends entering an exit password. The exit password comes in handy during the test itself in case something happens and you want the student to be able to leave the secure test environment without submitting his or her test. We also recommend allowing only one submission and putting only one question per page. For more tips, please see our video, Best Practices Using Respondus. On test day, students will be prompted to use Respondus for their test. In fact, they won't be able to access their test unless they're using Respondus Lockdown Browser. We strongly recommend giving an ungraded practice test using Respondus Lockdown Browser before the actual test. The practice test accomplishes a few things. It makes sure that everyone has downloaded and installed the Lockdown Browser application before test day. It familiarizes students and faculty with using the Lockdown Browser application, which reduces anxiety on test day, and it serves as a quick check to make sure everything is working correctly and allows us to solve any technical issues ahead of time. Even with the practice test, sometimes issues arise during the actual test. We've put together another video, Troubleshooting Issues in Respondus, that highlights some of the common problems we've encountered so far at Questrom and provides instructions on how to resolve them. We've also put together a one-page troubleshooting guide. We recommend printing this out and taking it to the test with you in case something should happen during the test. Finally, Questrom ITS has laptops with Respondus already installed on them. We recommend borrowing a few of these for your test in case a student needs a backup. Please get in touch with us to talk about implementing Respondus Lockdown Browser in your own class. Email questromhelp@bu.edu to set up a meeting and learn more. Thank you.